Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Learning Club. I'm back with another useful tip. This time you will see a very useful option available under pivot table options. It is a very old option, however, most of us are not aware about it. I will show you how can you distribute pivot data based on the options available under report filter dropdown by just a click of a button. To start with, this is the data which I have. It's a dummy data of retail line of business. It's a fashion company. So here I'm going to show you, if you look at, okay, it has a sales figure for the month of August, financial year 2017-18. So this is a chain. There are two line of business and these are the states, postcode, country, and the sales manager. And these are the categories. So what I'm going to show you right now, let's create a table and a pivot table. So Control A, select all, go to insert and pivot table. Here you can see you have a pivot table options. What I'm going to do, I'm going to select, go to display, select classic pivot table layout. It enables us to give an option. We can either drag down each option here or maybe here. So what are we going to look at? We want to see that by manager. So my manager is a filter, and in each state, okay, by each category, what is the sale? Okay, so once you have your pivot table ready, available, you can do the formatting as per your requirement. Let's say I go to home, I want to remove all the decimals. Okay, once you are finished with all the formatting, so if you look at here, this is the report filter option. How we do it normally? We select one by one to like numbers for each person. That's how we do. Okay, so what option I'm going to show you right now, with the help of one click, how can you create separate sheets for each individuals? Okay, so go to pivot table analyze option. Okay, now here go to options. Do not click on this option button. If you click on this option button, you will be directed to this window. Just click on the drop down arrow. When you click on drop down arrow, you can see there are three options. Select the second option. Once you click on this option, here it will ask you to select. So manager, I say okay, and you can see in a fraction of seconds, thousands and hundreds of the option can be created separate sheet. Look at each individual who was in the report filter option, their sheets have been created, right? So this is a cool option. Hope you have liked it and enjoyed it. Do not forget to like, subscribe and promote this channel, and definitely I'll be waiting for your comments.